Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we have come to the final of our 30-day 30 veg side dish recipes with a dish which needs no introduction. It's an all-time favorite, Masala Dosa. This recipe is as crispy, as flavorful and so filled with love as our journey has been together so far. Crispy dosa, spicy potato filling and that buttery aroma. Friends, this is the grand finale of a 30-day South Indian side dish journey. The one and only Masala Dosa. First we'll make the red chutney which is spread on the Mysore Masala Dosa. So we'll heat about 2 teaspoons of oil. Add a teaspoon of Channa dal. Saute it in the oil. This is one onion which I have chopped finely. Add this also and saute it lightly together with the chana dal. Saute it till the onions change color to a light brown and the dals are also well fried. Now switch it off and allow it to cool down to room temperature. Here I have 8 of the Bydagi red chilies. That is the chilies which are not spicy. You can use either Bydagi or Kashmiri chilies which are not spicy. I have soaked them in hot water for about half an hour and kept it ready. Now drain the chilies from the water and add it into your blender jar. Onions have also cooled down now. Add that also. Add salt and blend everything together into a fine paste. We have ground it into a fine paste and we have got that lovely bright red color. This should be the consistency of your red chutney so that you can easily spread it on the dosa. Now for the potato masala filling, I have taken 4 potatoes boiled. Now we will peel and crumble it. Now just roughly crumble it like this with your fingers. Don't mash it much, just roughly crumble it, that's enough. Now put the pan back on heat. Heat a tablespoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, chana dal, 1 green chilli, 2 onions sliced and a few curry leaves. Saute the onions. When the onions become slightly brownish and a glassy appearance, now add in these boiled and crumbled potatoes. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Salt and a large pinch of hing. Add some grated ginger also to it. Now mix everything well together. The salt, chilies, everything should be blended well in the masala. Now just add in a splash of water to get that perfect texture and consistency so that the masala will easily spread on the dosa. This is what is required. Mix everything well. Check if you have got the perfect consistency. This is exactly what we need. Finally, add a few coriander leaves on top and switch it off. Switch off the stove and then squeeze the juice of half a lemon on top. Mix everything again well together, and our potato masala, the stuffing for the masala dosa is ready. Just have a look at that. Our red chutney and the aloo masala filling for the masala dosa, both are ready. All we have to do is to make the crispy masala dosas now. Heat your tawa very well. Then reduce the flame. Now you can pour out your dosa batter. Now drizzle some oil all around the edges. Next, spread this red chutney which we have made evenly around the dosa. Don't worry, it will not be spicy. It is only having this bright red color because of the Bydagi chilies which we have used. Next, place a spoon of this potato masala which we have prepared. If you are a beginner, one tip is always to dip your spatula in water. It will make it easier to remove the dosa. Now it has become nice and crispy. Wow! Just look at that lovely crispy masala dosa ready to be served. Can you see that? How beautiful it looks? Delicious chutney and steaming hot sambar. For additional flavor, I am just adding a blob of butter on top. So the butter melting on the hot masala dosa takes the flavor and taste to a totally different level. For the last 30 days, we have cooked, laughed and shared so many recipes together, right from podis to togayals to sambar to kurma. And thank you very much for being on this journey with us together, and especially for making our kitchen a happier place. If you enjoyed this series, please like, share and subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and do tell me in the comment section on which recipe you enjoyed the most. This is not the end. This is the beginning of many more recipes to come. Breakfast, lunch, sweets, desserts, festival recipes and many more, which we would love to share with all of you from our kitchen to yours. Thank you.